Boys and girls, today we are going to take the Unit 6 time test. So let's take a look at these first three problems right here. Make sure that your name is on your paper before we get started. Pause this video after every question to answer the question, and then hit play once again when you're ready to play the next question. So it says, look at the times below the analog clock. And we know that analog means the one that has the hands, and digital is the one that you would see on your iPad or on like an alarm clock. Look at the time below on the analog clock. Write the hands on the analog clock to show the same time. So, for example, this time says 6:20. So the hour is 6 and the minutes are 20. So pause this video and show your hands for the clock that are 6:20. Remember, your shorthand and the long hand. Don't draw two hands that are the same length. One has to be shorter and one has to be longer. Number 2. 10:25. The hour is 10 and 25 minutes. Number 3, 8:05. Moving on to the next set of problems. Again, if you're not done with those three problems, make sure you pause this video and then go ahead and finish those. And then when you're ready, hit play. The directions say, look at the time on the analog clock. The time of day is written above each clock. Write the time and also write AM or PM next to the time based on the time of day. So take a look at this one. Remember, your shorthand shows hours and longhand shows minutes. So find where the hour hand is and then count the minutes. And this says after school. So is after school going to be AM or PM? So you will write the hour, the minutes, and then AM or PM right there in those blanks. The second problem, the hour hand is right here and the minute hand is here, and this says before school. So again, hour, minutes, AM or PM, okay, before school. Next, we have the hour hand right here and the minute hand right here. And this says during school, so you're going to have to figure this one out. The hour hand goes here, or what the hour is goes here, minutes, and then AM or PM. All right, next we're going to move into our story problems. So it says, read the story problems. Write the correct elapsed time. Remember that elapsed time is time that is passed. Sue and her family arrived at Disney at 10:30 a.m. They left their house at 5:30 a.m. How long did it take them to get to Disney World? So you need to find out how much time went from 5:30 a.m. when the family left the house to 10:30 a.m. when they arrived at Disney World. Write the hours and minutes. If there are no minutes, just write 0. Jackie's swimming lesson ended at 7 p.m. It started at 5 p.m. How long was his swimming lesson? So you need to find how much time between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. Again, writing how many hours and how many minutes. Lakeisha and her friends went to a movie that started at 1 p.m. The movie ended at 3:30 p.m. How long were they at the movie? So again, you need to find how much time from 1 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Put your hours here and your minutes here. Now, this is going to be very similar to what you just did with the elapsed time story problems, except here there's no story problems. We just have a start time and we have an end time. So you need to find how many hours and minutes from start to end. So looking at the first one, you need to find the elapsed time from 4:30 to 7 p.m. Hours and minutes. Pause this video, complete that. Next, you need to find the amount of time from 2:15 p.m. to 6:15 p.m. Hours go here and minutes go here. So pause this video and go ahead and do that. Next, you need to find the elapsed time from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Write the hours here and the minutes here. And in this last one, you need to find the time elapsed from 6 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. and write the hours and minutes right here. If you're not finished with that, pause this video to finish before you move on to the next section. Okay, we are on to the last section of our test. So here it says use the word box to match the time relationships. So the first one says 365 days. You need to find up here what is the same as 365 days. So I will read the words up here, starting with 1 minute, 60 minutes, 24 hours, 1 week, 52 weeks, and 1 year. Again, we're starting with 365 days. Which one of these is equal to 365 days? Next, we have 7 days. Which one of these is equal to 7 days, or the same as 7 days? Next, we have 1 year. Which one of these is equal to or the same as 1 year? Next, we have 60 seconds. Which one of these is the same or equal to 60 seconds? And make sure you're crossing these off as you use them so you don't get confused. Next, we have what is the same or equal to 1 hour. And what is the same or equal to 1 day? All right, you guys are finished with this test. If you need to rewind and watch some of this to go back and double check your work, please do. Make sure that you have all of the blanks on this whole test filled in before you turn it into the teacher, and then double check all your work.